bungee jump.
Go then.
I want to skydive.
Go.
We're here, guys.
Bungee jump cord.
Shut up.
No,
Let me
look
enjoy
at that.
this.
Ask them for a bungee.
This is freaking
Oh,
amazing.
can I drive slower?
Oh, yeah, drive slow.
Nobody's behind you.
Nobody's behind
okay.
us. We're good. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
Where's the water? On the other side.
Look, that's where the dam is. You see it?
Did you see that article where the drunk guy?
Wow.
He swam across the whole Hoover Dam. And he did it because he was so drunk.
Wow.
Yeah, he set a world record. Drunk and swam across the whole Hoover Dam.
Usually it's not sticks.
Cars and buses, pay trailer. I don't know. I guess that's to park and then you can go walk around.
Oh.
So we can go over there after.
Oh, we're driving through right now.
Yeah, we're just driving through.
No,
We're
I
gonna
wanna
drive.
walk it.
Yeah, but we can drive through and then turn around.
I want to see the water.
Yeah, Hoover Dam tours. Right, look. Oh shit, we're driving it. Okay, we're driving and drive back.
Yeah, and then turn around. Watch out for the pedestrians.
Where's my camera? I'll do it when I walk.
Go to your Snapchat.
Oh, look like the movie.
Wow.
I remember this scene.
Oh, you see where the white line is? That means that's where the water was before.
Yeah.
And then, if you look on the sides of the mountains, there's a white
Oh, I see
line.
it.
Yeah, that's how much the water's depleted.
How come?
Yeah, Transformers. This thing went bust.
Wait, Mom, how come?
Because
Yeah,
of
that's
the,
how much water
yeah, that's how much water we use. We get our water from the Colorado River.
Yeah.
One day we'll run out.
Bro, we're driving on the freaking.
We're on the Hoover Dam.
Welcome to Arizona.
Welcome to Arizona. We're in Arizona.
Nah.
Yes, we are. Look, it said welcome to. We just crossed the Hoover Dam. When you cross the Hoover Dam, you
Oh.
cross state line.
Arizona time.
Yeah.
9:52.
Same time.
Oh shit. Never mind.
Fricka, we're in Arizona. I went visit Arizona, Las Vegas, San Francisco,
Very good, honey. Hands on the wheel. Hands on the wheel.
Alaska,
Alaska.
Canada, yep, Canada,
Okay, our
Oregon.
turn.
Yes.
Oh, look, people boating in the river.
California.
Let's
Anaheim.
go jet.
In 600 feet, you will arrive at your destination.
I guess we can.